How to change video speed in Openshot. Want to create slow motion or time-lapse effects? Here's how to change video speed in Openshot. First, import your clip and add it to the timeline. Then right-click on the clip and go to time. You can see fast or slow option here. Choose how much to speed up or slow down like 2x, 4x or 0.5x. You can also select normal then tap on forward to reset it back to normal. For more control, select time, then tap on custom speed and enter a value like 1.5 for 1.5x speed or 0.75 for slower motion. Openshot will auto-adjust the clip duration. Need reverse playback? Go to time, then tap on reverse and pick either full or only the video part. Do you prefer slow-mo effects or fast-forward montages? Let me know in the comments below. And once set, review the changes and export your modified clip. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.